Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this anime text effect for your videos in CapCut PC. Super easy. I'm just going to type in and then enough. Let's copy and paste that. I'm probably going to change the font as well. And I'm just going to place this here. Let's do just this font. You can use any font that you'd like, obviously. And then here, I'm just going to go to effects and I'm going to type, I'm going to find player 3. Or was it player 2? Hold on. I think it was player 2. I'm just going to remove this. Actually, I'm just going to remove that and then I'm just going to add an animation to this. Maybe like a fade in animation. And then on the second one, I'm going to add in like a galaxy video or picture. Let's do this one and we're going to place it here. Okay, hold on, let me just turn on this first. Press save. Then I'll put that here. And I am going to right click on this and then create compound clip first. And I'm going to select mask. Oh, I should probably just do it on the picture. I don't know why I did it here. Then you're just going to place it wherever you want. I'm just going to also make it bigger. And I think I'm just going to adjust it so you can see the text a little bit better. You can make it a little bit red with this. Or like pink maybe. And then you can add an animation to this text if you'd like. Okay, maybe like something less. Maybe not like that. I don't know, it's up to you really. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.